Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's all about soothing and repairing sensitive skin. Dr.Jart Cicapair Sensitive Skin Face Moisturizer. If you're dealing with redness, irritation, or just want to support your skin's natural barrier, this might just be the product you need. Now let's talk about this moisturizer. Dr.Jart is a well-known Korean skincare brand, and they've created this product with one main goal in mind: calming sensitive skin. At its core, this moisturizer is powered by Centella Asiatica, a plant known for its healing properties. This ingredient is a game changer for those with reactive skin, as it helps repair the skin's barrier and reduce inflammation. The formula is lightweight but packs a punch when it comes to hydration. It comes in a 50-milliliter jar, which might not sound like a lot, but you really don't need much to get the benefits. A little goes a long way, and it absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling greasy. I've been testing this out for a few weeks now, using it both in the morning and at night as the final step in my skincare routine. First off, it's incredibly soothing. I could feel my skin calming down almost immediately after application, and there's a noticeable reduction in redness, especially after using it post-cleansing or exfoliating. The texture is smooth and soft, and it leaves my skin feeling moisturized, but never heavy. The real highlight of this product, though, is how well it works under makeup. I've tried it both with and without makeup, and it holds up beautifully. My skin feels hydrated but not slick, which is key for those of us with combination or oily skin. It's a great base for foundation because it doesn't leave any residue or cause makeup to slip off. Now, onto the pros and cons. The pros? First, it's incredibly calming and helps with redness almost instantly. The Centella Asiatica really shines here, and I appreciate how gentle it is on the skin. The packaging is sleek and clean, perfect for anyone who loves minimalist skincare aesthetics. And I can't forget to mention the hydration it provides. My skin feels nourished throughout the day without feeling heavy or suffocated. On the flip side, the biggest con for me is that it's not the most affordable moisturizer out there. At $48 for 50 milliliters, it's on the higher end, which might be a deterrent if you're on a budget. However, the quality of ingredients and the results might justify the price for some. When it comes to value for money, I think it's fair to say that you're paying for a premium product with Centella Asiatica as one of the main ingredients, which is proven to help with skin healing and soothing. If you have sensitive skin or suffer from redness, this is worth considering. In terms of build quality, the jar is sturdy, but I do wish it came in a tube for easier application. Sometimes dipping your fingers into a jar can be a little less hygienic, especially when you're in a rush. The longevity of the product is great. After a few weeks of use, I've barely made a dent, which makes me think it'll last for quite some time. As far as alternatives go, there are definitely cheaper moisturizers out there that offer similar benefits, but none that feature Centella Asiatica in such a concentrated form. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, look into products with similar calming ingredients, like aloe vera or chamomile, although they might not be as targeted for sensitive skin or barrier repair. In conclusion, Dr.Jart Cicapair Sensitive Skin Face Moisturizer is a fantastic choice for those of us battling redness or irritation, especially with the healing properties of Centella Asiatica. It delivers on its promises and leaves skin feeling calm, hydrated, and barrier protected. It's not the cheapest option, but if you're looking for something that specifically targets sensitive skin, this one could be a winner for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried this moisturizer, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Did it work for your skin too? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.